Navy and Marine Corps pilots who must land their aircraft on the small and sometimes pitching deck of an aircraft carrier at sea, slow-speed flight is just as important as high-speed flight in order to demonstrate the dirty, slow-speed handling characteristics of these Boeing FA-18s. Captain McWhorter has called for the extension of the landing gear and tailhooks as they execute a maneuver performed by no other jet demonstration team in the world today. From the left, at less than 250 miles per hour, the Diamond Dirty Loop.